Welcome guys to a new episode of this series in Core Java, and today the topic which we will do is the enhancement to the topic of AWT. So we have studied AWT, Abstract Window Toolkit. Swing is the enhancement to it. So if I take example with your modern day mobile phones, so we have the first version of the mobile phone, the basic version of it, and then the company releases after a few months the pro version of it with few enhanced features, right? So similarly, on the very same track, Java has first released AWT, which you can think of as the basic version, and then with some enhanced features, Java has released Swing. So what new features just Swing has? It has lots of ready-made controls. So we have input box, message box, scroll bars, your common dialogues. Like if you wish to show, if you wish to open a file, if you wish to color something, you can have the color palette. You can open the color palette. You can save your work. So whatever you've written in a text field, you can save that onto your hard disk, onto some file. So like this, we have many advanced features. So in the fifth semester, we are studying core Java, and in the sixth semester, we'll be studying advanced Java. So the packages which we are studying in fifth semester all start with the Java key. All are under the Java package. So java.util, java.io, java.applet, java.awt. In sixth semester, we'll be having advanced Java, and the package which we will be studying in next semester in advanced Java will be Java X, that is extended Java. So Swing is, as I told, it is the enhancement. So Swing is a part of the Java X package. So if you are working with Swing, you need to import Java X.Swing. So all the design classes of Swing are in Java X.Swing package, and for the coding will use the same package which we were using for AWT, java.awt.events.star. So what are the differences? So the basic differences in the package name. So the package for AWT is different, and the package for Swing is different. So the package for AWT is this, the package for Swing is this. Second, and the most striking difference is in AWT, the class names would start. So if the text field is text field, button is button, label, frame, you just have to prefix a J before the class name, so it becomes a Swing class. So text field is in AWT. If you want to use it in Swing, you just have to use J. So it becomes J text field, J button, J label, J frame. So just keep on adding J to the class name and it becomes a Swing class. More or less this was the striking difference. Then there are other theoretical difference, like AWT components are heavyweight components because they occupy a lot of memory. Swing components are lightweight components. Then you can say AWT components are non-portable. Swing components are portable. So there are a lot of, so theoretically there are many points to cover in the differences. So let's do a program of a simple calculator which will add, multiply, divide and sum for us, but we'll be using Swing. So for the classes I've imported this package, and for the programming we'll stick to our old package of java.awt.event.star. So similar how we would do in AWT, class name extends JFrame over here, because I'm using a Swing class, so I'll be using JFrame and implements action listener. Now what all controls will we be needing, guys? What all controls will we be needing? How many buttons?
5 buttons.
First we'll be needing a text field.
Yes, sir.
So how will we do that?
So J text field.
the text field
equals
T1
T1
and then
J button
B1,
B1 T1
or we'll just to add div sub mul. Okay, and now we need a panel also.
is equals to
Is equal to, okay, equal to EQ. Next, a panel
yes sir.
J panel P1.
J panel
Next, that's all.
yes sir.
Okay, let's start with the constructor. Public calci. So now first make the objects. T1 is
New text field
ठीक है. J text field. We can set the align property also. Calculator में align क्या होता है? Left, right, center.
send
Right में.
right.
Add is new.
J button
And what to write on it?
left
है ना? तो चारों को लिख दो. तो div is
division
mul is
multiplication
and sub is
subtraction
and EQ is equal to. ठीक है. और पैनल क्या है फिर? है ना? पैनल का लेआउट क्या होगा? पैनल का लेआउट, फॉर्म का लेआउट क्या होगा?
border layout
ये बॉर्डर लेआउट कौन से पैकेज में है? AWT कौन से पैकेज में है?
AWT
तो इसके लिए उसको भी इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा. हमने उसको इंपोर्ट नहीं किया. ठीक है. और P1 का लेआउट क्या होगा? न्यू
grid layout
कितने बाय कितने का?
2 by 2
ठीक है. अब कहाँ ऐड होंगे? P1 में कौन ऐड होगा पहले? भाई ये ऐड विल क्रिएट नॉनसेंस. दिस ऐड विल बी नोटोरियस बिकॉज अपन ने ऑलरेडी ऐड नाम से एक फंक्शन है, याद रखो. यस और नो? और हमने ऐड नाम से वो बनाया है. तो डू यू नो वी हैव कीवर्ड, रिजर्व कीवर्ड, लिटरल्स. तो ऐड रिजर्व्ड है ना. तो ये ऐड हम एक डी कम कर देते हैं. ठीक है. तो एरर अपने कम हो जाएंगे उससे. आया समझ में कैसे किया मैंने? तो पहले किसको ऐड करेंगे? ऐड को. तो प्लस माइनस, राइट. फिर किसको ऐड करेंगे? सब. फिर मल. और फिर
और डिवीजन.
और ये कहाँ जाएगा फिर? सेंटर. सॉरी मैं नॉट लिखा हूं. और EQ कहाँ जाएगा फिर?
EQ साउथ में.
और फिर कोडिंग किस पे करना है?
सर टेक्स्ट वन को ऊपर डालना है ना, नॉट.
ओह या गॉट इट. क्या बात है ईशा पारेख, एक्सीलेंट. क्या बात है, वेल डन, नाइस प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड. तो ऐड किसको?
टेक्स्ट वन. टेक्स्ट नॉट.
अभी कोडिंग किस पे करना है? ऐड पे करना है क्या?
हाँ।
क्लिक करेंगे ना उस पर अपन, और पांचों बटन पे कोडिंग करना है ना।
हाँ सर।
तो ऐड पे, सब पे, मल पे, डिफ पे और EQ पे।
इक्वल टू।
और फिर अभी उसके एट्रीब्यूट सेट कर दो। ऐड टाइटल और सेट टाइटल ना,
यस सर, सर।
और सेट
विजिबिलिटी ट्रू।
और सेट साइज। 400 का हाइट, 400 का लेंथ, 300 का हाइट। ठीक है, कंस्ट्रक्टर क्लोज हो गया। एंड नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टोल्ड, व्हाट वी हैव प्रॉमिस्ड, वी विल इंप्लीमेंट विच लिसनर?
एक्शन।
तो मेथड कौन सा है उसके अंदर? पब्लिक वॉइड
एक्शन परफॉर्म।
ये हो गया उसका फंक्शन क्लोज। फिर उसके बाद में क्या करना था?
पब्लिक स्टैटिक वॉइड में स्ट्रिंग आती है।
उसमें क्या करना था? ये क्लोज और क्लास क्लोज। ठीक है, एंड कंस्ट्रक्टर शुड बी पब्लिक, कंस्ट्रक्टर शुड बी पब्लिक। हाँ चलो कर दे। और क्लास ऑल्सो विल बी पब्लिक, बिकॉज इसमें मेन इसके अंदर ही है ना। मेन इसके अंदर है, उसको सेव कर लेते हैं अभी। किस नाम से? सेव किससे कर रहा हूँ उसको मैं? ठीक है, अब आ जाते हैं अपने इसमें एक्शन परफॉर्म में। तो क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले रीड कर लेंगे कैप्शन ना। So I've done some modification in this program in the coding part. The design part remains as it is. The variables which I was declaring in the action perform method, I've declared them for the class. So n1 is your operand 1, n2 is your operand 2, and result is your result of the arithmetic calculation. And character operator, this character operator will be a single quote plus or a single quote minus or a single quote divide. It's a character, right? Or a single quote multiplication. Any of these four it will be. So I have given it as a character operator. Now this we've discussed in detail. This is done. Now let's come to the action perform part. Get action command. What will it get? The caption. And now let's. So if that string equals plus, if that string is plus, then what will we do? We'll take the first number and store it in n1, set the operator to plus. What will be the operator? The operator will be plus, and your text box will become blank. We aren't using this, so even if we comment this and even if we try to run this java c calc.java, we aren't using that anywhere. And if I run this program, so opens, so if I take 6 plus blank, 6 plus 7 is 13, is showing over here 13. If I take 6 minus 4 should give me 2, it's giving me 2. Okay, close it over here. So this is not required. So we are just reading the string. If that string equals plus, read the first character, first operand, store it in n1, set the operator to plus and empty the text. Similarly for all the 4 options. And now what will we check? When it is if it is equal, then we'll take the second operand also, and then we'll check if operator was plus, the result is plus. If operator was minus, result is minus. Multiply, and then we will set that result to the text one. So if you want to convert an integer to a string, easiest way is concatenate it to an empty string. So action perform closes main, and main contains this. Clear?